Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Journey. And this video will discuss about what is plugins in WordPress to do SEO. Basically, in the custom coded website, we have to do SEO by our own. Like we have to write the meta title, meta keywords, meta description part in the custom coded. But if we will do the SEO in the CMS part, so in this case we will have the multiple plugins. We have the multiple plugins inbuilt. From that we can do easily. We can easily write the meta title. We can easily write the meta description and meta keywords. So there are some plugins in the WordPress from that we can do the SEO easily. So here are some WordPress plugins: the Yoast SEO, SEO Press, this particular SEO, all-in-one SEO, and rank math. There are the multiple SEO plugins is there. From that we can do SEO. The main beneficial of using the SEO plugins, because in the CMS website there is no other option. From that we can do the SEO for the separate web page. If you want to do the SEO for the separate web page, then you must have to install the particular SEO plugins. So there will be multiple SEO plugins that you can use and to optimize. Like the plugin can't be categorized on the basis of suppose Yoast SEO is much beneficial. The functionality, the addition of meta title and description, the same process is there, but the different layout can be seen, and also the different functionality and different feature can be seen in different version of the different plugins. So this is the main. There are the multiple plugins that we can use for SEO in WordPress. So mostly preferable the person using are the Yoast SEO and rank math and all-in-one SEO. So according to your comfortability, you can use. In the further video, we will discuss about the Yoast SEO plugins. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section.